Should you trust volume indicator in Forex trading? Does it really work? Let me break it down for you in detail. Unlike stock market, the Forex market is decentralized. This decentralized structure enhances competition among brokers, leading to fair pricing and reduced risk of price manipulation, as no single entity can control prices, which provides resilience against outages, since trading can continue even if one broker faces issues. Since the Forex market operates without central exchange or authority, then transactions occur through a global network of banks, brokers, and individual traders, allowing great flexibility compared to centralized markets like stock exchanges. So where does the volume data come from in Forex markets? Well, in Forex markets, the volume data is usually coming from two important role players, which are the ECNs, which stands for Electronic Connection Networks, and the market makers. The role of the ECN and the market maker is quite similar, but their differences are very important. An ECN provides direct access to a network of liquidity providers, matching buy and sell orders without interference, resulting in tighter spreads and faster execution. And on the other hand, market makers act as intermediaries, often taking the opposite side of trades, which can lead to wider spreads and potential conflicts of interest. Also, their goal is to provide liquidity in the market. Also, it is important to explain the role of a broker in order to understand the volume data in the Forex market. The broker acts as an intermediary between the trader and the ECNs or market makers. That means that when you place a trade through your broker's trading platform, your broker will route your trade order to an ECN or multiple ECNs or market makers in order for it to be executed. So that means that the volume data that you see from your broker's trading platform volume indicator is either coming from your broker's ECNs or your broker's market maker. So there are at least two types of brokers in Forex markets, which are the ECN broker and the market maker broker. An ECN broker usually connects to multiple ECNs, which provides a trader with a consolidated volume data that is coming from all those different ECNs that broker connects to. And on the other hand, the market maker typically operates from an in-house dealing desk within the broker, and the volume data that you get will be coming from there, which suggests that the market maker volume may not be reliable or consistent across providers. So the most reliable and trustable volume data that you should trust is the one that is produced by the pure ECN brokers, because it's usually coming from multiple ECNs, and the bigger the ECN broker, the better. I have used volume indicator to increase the trend continuation strategy win rate on this video. Check it out.